people, when they start talking about this, so when they, so examples for exponential distributions is like waiting time, right? When people explain the memoryless property, they usually start with this example, which I always thought sounded ridiculous until a recent vacation of mine. So the example is this. So your random variable x, say, is the amount of time you're waiting at a bus stop. And so that is distributed as an exponential distribution. The memoryless property is the following. Let me write it like this. X greater than s plus t, given x greater than t. Okay. So x is the amount of time you're waiting. So if I know that I've already waited a certain amount of time, the probability that I will wait for s more minutes is just the same as the probability that I initially wait for s minutes. So it basically means I forget about the fact that I wait, my distribution forgets about the fact that I've waited t minutes already. Okay? So waiting any additional amount of time is just the same probability as when I first arrived waiting for that amount of time. So you're at the bus stop, you waited 10 minutes, and I ask you what's the probability that you will wait for 20 minutes. That's just the probability of when I arrived waiting for 10 minutes. So
10 or 20?
So the probability that I wait for 20 minutes, given that I've already waited 10 minutes, this distribution forgets the fact that I waited 10 minutes and says that the probability that I will wait for 10 more minutes is just my initial probability of waiting 10 minutes.
Kind of makes sense.
Okay, so clearly if you're at a bus stop where buses arrive like according to schedule, then maybe this may not make sense because you waited so long and you know when the next bus is going to come. But if you're in Puerto Rico, and then there is no schedule, okay? So I remember I was at this bus stop when I arrived, and I asked someone, so how long do you think I'll have to wait? And they said, maybe about 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, I asked someone else, and they said maybe about 20 minutes. So I'm like, okay, yes, this is exactly an exponential distribution. So yeah, so in Puerto Rico, this works just very well. So this property, I know, sounds a little strange when you use this example, but as you see, it does.